Housing is a human right. That was the focus of this Facebook Live eviction defense workshop hosted by Congressmember Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez and Democratic nominee to represent New York's 16th District, Jamaal Bowman.
We're dealing with intersectional crises and a collective trauma that our families and our kids have to deal with. Not just the loss of a job, not just the loss of income and food insecurity, but the potential loss of their homes.
All this due to the COVID-19 pandemic that began in March, forcing the shutdown of New York's economy, while the governor issued an executive order against evictions through June 20th and extended the deadline to August. Landlords can still file petitions in housing court.
There are going to be folks that are in danger of losing their homes and getting evicted, and we are here tonight to show you how to defend yourself.
Featured in the workshop was Sia Weaver, campaign coordinator for Housing Justice for All, and her team.
The conversation that y'all just had is just so refreshing to actually hear from elected officials, because most elected officials are not like that.
Juan Nuñez is a tenant organizer from the Bronx who provided an update on the current moratorium.
So nobody in the city of New York can be evicted until at least August 6th. The state legislature passed the Tenant Safe Harbor Act, which provides a defense in court, but it is not an eviction moratorium.
The hope is that tenants organize and educate each other in the weeks and months ahead.
In a moment of such intense vulnerability, we have seen in the city and across the country that unfortunately, there are a lot of corrupt landlords that exploit any vulnerability that a family may have, whether you're behind, whether you miss one rent payment, whether you're undocumented, whether you have an income stream that may be under the books. Any sort of vulnerability has always been used to exploit tenants historically. And right now, in the middle of a pandemic, when we have millions of people that are unemployed, that vulnerability has exploded.
This week, the governor announced the start of the state's COVID-19 rental assistance program, available through the CARES Act. For more information, go to governor.ny.gov.
Our billionaire class has grown while over 130,000 people have died. If that doesn't show how rotten and corrupt and morally empty and shallow our system has become, I don't know what does.
For more information, go to bit.ly/eviction defense or housingjusticeforall.org. For BronxNet, this is Arlene Mukoko.